I'm Ross Naddock with Van Ahnen Company with your closing comments for January 26. Today we had kind of a quiet day in the grain markets. The only market that really performed very well is the wheat, closing up quite a bit stronger in the spring wheat complex, but the Chicago and Kansas City wheat up just a little bit on the day. That was led by the strong export news release this morning for the weekly report. Very nice number for the wheat complex. Corn and soybean meal, not soybeans, but those other commodities there, they did finish a little better with the weekly sales. Soybeans came within expectations, but nothing too great on that end. So kind of a long, quiet day here. Beans did sell a little bit lower on the day, but they bounced off 9 cents lower a number of times to settle only 5.75 lower. Corn finished down 2.5, and soybeans again. March Minneapolis wheat up 9.25 at this point. That is not the contract that the elevators are using at this point. They moved out to May. So moving on to the cattle, they had an interesting day, much more movement versus the grains. It looked like a lot of fund liquidation here, as we've seen a lot of money built into those markets over the last month. Cutouts were a little bit higher. Exports were quite a bit firmer this weekly here versus the previous couple of weeks. And overall, the cash market's been supportive this week as well. But with all that said, we did see some profit taking today. The cattle market finishing lower. Live cattle finished down over $1. Feeders were down, trading under $3 lower at one point. Hog market, still, again, we had a strong cash trade yesterday, along with the cutouts continuing to rally. News of that cold storage report being very friendly toward the hogs yesterday, but we gave all of that profit back today. Again, more fund liquidation likely. This may be an early sign that the cash markets are starting to top out here too, so we'll be watching that in the weeks ahead. I'll finish with our disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of futures results. Futures and options trading involves risk and is not suitable for all producers.